Happy New Year, everybody. Welcome back to Life on Greenwood. Happy 2025. Well, I decided on New Year's Eve, in order to stay awake, maybe I should bake a cake. It was like, I don't know, quarter to 11, and I was on my last leg, but just trying to stay up to watch the ball drop. Not really watch the ball drop, but stay up to do a champagne toast with hubby at midnight, and I was really on my last leg. But I had this box of red velvet cake mix that I picked up the other day and that junk food haul, and decided just to put it together. And it just called for oil, water, and 3 eggs. So I quickly added the water, added the oil. I did the eggs off camera. I don't know why I did the eggs off camera, but I did, and mix this up. Now, I made a red velvet cake just like this for Thanksgiving, and it turned out so good. I'm just telling you, takes 2 minutes to mix this up, and if you're doing this by hand, 2 minutes seems like forever. But I was having so much fun doing this. I just really was trying to stay up until 12 o'clock. Oh my God, it's getting to be so. I mean, just staying up like this is really a killer when you're at our age. But I was determined. I was determined to stay up till at least 12 o'clock. So I made this cake, and as I said, I made it the Thanksgiving too, and it really turned out well. So I figured I could do this again. Put this thing together, greased up the pan. Didn't really call for a lot of grease because this is a non-stick bunt pan rather. Um, Here I am still mixing. 2 minutes. 2 minutes is a long time. What did you guys do for New Year's Eve? I mean, I can't tell you last time I actually went out. I was thinking about going to church for our watch night service, and I've done that over the years, and that's really good. But it's just the staying up for me that kills me. It's just the staying awake that really is a challenge for me. But I used to go to watch night service. Maybe I'll do it next year. But it's sort of hit or miss for me. But what did you guys do? Comment below and tell me what you did for New Year's Eve. Did you stay in? Did family come over? Oh, what did you cook? What did you cook? And, traditionally we make our black eyed peas and greens, and I did that. Actually, I made this year, instead of collard greens, I actually made cabbage. I like doing cabbage too. So I made the black eyed peas and rice and cabbage, and we're having salmon along with that, and to bake macaroni and cheese. So that's what we're having. And that was already cooked. The salmon wasn't cooked. I'll do the salmon on New Year's Day. So I just wanted to make this cake. Comment below. Tell me what you cooked. And did you do your black eyed peas and rice? Is that a tradition in your house? Do you do the collard greens? Was it okay to do cabbage instead of collard greens? Does that count? Cabbage is green, right? It's green. But if you're new here, thank you so much for joining me. I hope I see you in 2025. For my returning friends, I know I'll see you in 2025, right? Thanks so much, guys. I appreciate you. Hey, the cake turned out great. It's really moist. I mean, Betty Crocker does her thing, does she not? Does she not? And I put some vanilla icing on it that I had left over from my cake at Thanksgiving, and it's very moist. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you. I appreciate you for 2024 to 2025 and beyond. Thanks, guys. I'll see you in the next one.